Saki here and welcome back to my channel. On this channel, I love talking about luxury goods and fashion and of course my favorite thing, handbags. So if that is your thing as well, and if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Alright, so in today's video, we have a little exciting haul for you. I actually picked up a couple of things for Black Friday. Spoiler alert, a lot of the things I think you're going to be really surprised that I picked out because they don't look like they'd usually be my style. So please stay tuned for that. Before we get started, I wanted to thank today's video sponsor, which is Ana Luisa. If you guys watch my channel, you'll know that I love Ana Luisa Jewelry. I always love partnering with them because they always send me the best things and I end up wearing their jewelry pieces like religiously. So today they actually sent me 3 new pieces to share with you guys. I'm also really excited this time around because they are having their biggest sale ever and I will tell you all about it right after I show you what I got. So of course the first thing that I'm going to be showing you are earrings because Ana Luisa earrings are my absolute favorite. The first pair of earrings that I have to show you are called the JOANNE. They are just these beautiful pearl earrings, but they've got a little bit of a twist because they've got this like little dangly part. I will just show you what they look like on me. Alright, so here are what these look like. I think these are so adorable. They're like really simple and like elegant, but I think this chain like gives it a little bit of an edge and I just love the way that it looks on my ears. Oh my god, I'm seriously like so obsessed with Ana Luisa earrings. Alright, the next thing is actually another pair of earrings as well. This one is called the Sia earrings and I'm actually going to be showing you what it looks like if you stack the Ana Luisa earrings because I think it's really cute. I have 3 piercings on this side and 2 on this side. I know it's uneven, but I'll actually be stacking these with the other ones because I think it looks really, really awesome that way. What's super, super cute about these earrings is that they are a little heart lock, but they look like a safety pin. I don't know, for some reason when I saw these, I was so drawn to them. I just think they are so unique and I don't have anything like it in my collection. So yeah, I just really had to have them. So here is what this earring looks like on me just by itself. I just think that this one is so cute and unique and you don't really see things like that out there very often. Also, this is what it looks like on my other ear where I have it stacked. I think that this looks really neat as well. So yeah, just really, really loving these. And then the last thing that I have to show you guys is actually this beautiful ring. So this is actually the MECCA Off White ring. I've never received any of their rings before, but I do really love how simplistic this one is. And plus, because there is a little cut in the back, it's actually kind of adjustable. I would just wear it on like my middle finger like that. I think it looks really, really cute. If you haven't heard about Ana Luisa Jewelry, I will tell you why I love them. They not only have really cute, affordable pieces starting at $39, but they also are an environmentally friendly company. They offset 100% of their carbon emissions, all the way from how they source their materials to how they dispose of them. You're seriously getting really high quality luxury pieces for such an affordable price, especially with the sale that they have going on right now. Now let me tell you about the sale they're having because this is the perfect time to pick something up either for yourself or a loved one for the holidays. They are actually having a buy one get one 40% off sale, and plus if you live in the United States and you spend over $150, you will get a free travel case as well with your order. So it's a super great time to pick up something for the holidays. I will leave all of the information of the sale down below along with a special link. Thank you again to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. Alright, so let's just get straight into the haul. So I'm going to be starting off with clothing pieces first. I just picked up a couple of things from Zara actually, and then I have something from Nordstrom. The first thing is actually the sweater that I'm wearing today. It is this really cute basic sweater, but it's also got these really fun like little buttons down the side. I just think that this looks really cute and elegant and really, really classy. I would probably wear this with like one of my tight fitting like tweed skirts for winter. I think that look is so cute. I actually bought 2 of these from Zara. I bought this like cream colored one, but then surprise, I actually bought a black one. So I don't wear black very often, although I have been wearing it pretty frequently, and you'll be able to tell from this haul. I did pick up a couple more black clothing. I know it's crazy for me, but yeah, I just really love the way that these little buttons just accent the sweater a little bit, and I think that this is a really good alternative to maybe like a basic turtleneck sweater or something. I know this is like more of a crew neck thing, but I think that you could just never have too many of these basic pieces in your collection, and they just go so well with everything. You can use them year after year, and yeah, just when I saw these, I knew I had to have them. They are just a basic staple in a winter wardrobe. Now the next thing that I bought actually kind of goes along with this. I would actually pair this with the top that I'm wearing, and it is these shorts. I know, black again. Who am I? But I just really love black and gold together, and I think something like this with a, you know, a top like this, or maybe even like a pink sweater or something. I normally wear, you know, like tight fitting tweed skirts during the winter with a pair of leggings. This is actually also in a tweed material. I don't know if you can tell on camera. It's got a lot of cat hair on it right now, I'm sorry. My cat really likes to sleep on my laundry pile, so every time I do laundry, there's always cat hair on it. But anyways, I just love the way that these buttons look, and there also are some pockets in the front that are really handy. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to, you know, pick up something a little bit different. I know it might be weird to wear shorts during winter, but I think with a pair of leggings and boots, this would look really, really great. Alright, and the last thing that I picked up from Zara, I really tried to resist this one, but I couldn't in the end, and it is this tweed jacket. Oh, I just think it looks so cute. It would probably go really well with the shorts and the top that I just mentioned. I love tweed, as you guys may know, and this one is like a beautiful cream and gold base. Oh, I just am so in love with this. When I saw it in the store, I actually saw somebody going to pick it out first, and I was like, oh my gosh, I hope they have more because I need to have one. She actually ended up putting it back, and it was the only one in a small size, so I'm so glad that she ended up not buying it. But anyway, so I love this jacket so much because it's got these like really cute buttons. I don't know what it is about gold buttons, guys. I'm literally obsessed, and I love how long it is. I was actually a little bit scared because it does look kind of large on me, even though it is a small, but I think that look is actually really cute for winter. I actually still have the price tag on this one as well. It was $119, but I got it on sale for $39. Ah, such a good deal. It's not like the warmest jacket out there, but for some reason, like in Colorado, we've been having like 60, 70 degree days in the dead of winter, so I haven't actually been wearing like that many thick jackets, so I think that this would be perfect for that. Also, if you did want to, you know, layer up by wearing a really thick sweater underneath, I think that that would look really cute as well, and of course that would keep you more warm. But yeah, I just love jackets like this. I think it's so elegant. I only have one other tweed like long jacket, so I thought that this would be a really good, you know, addition to it. Plus that one's pink, and obviously I love both pink and white, so yeah, I just had to have this one. Alright, so the next thing I also got on sale, but this time I bought this one for Nordstrom, and it is this jacket. I know, it's so crazy. If you only watch my YouTube channel and you don't follow me on Instagram, you probably will be shocked, but I have been wearing this jacket a lot, and I posted a lot in my Instagram stories. I just have really been loving like an edgier look lately. You will probably have seen from this haul that I am opening myself up to wearing black. I know it's crazy, but I've been loving this jacket. This is actually from AllSaints. I bought my husband a jacket really similar to this not too long ago for fall, and I fell in love with his, so when I saw this on sale at Nordstrom, I just had to have one of my own. I believe this is lambskin. It feels really nice, and because it was on sale, it wasn't like crazy expensive or anything, and trust me when I say that this is like one of the most comfortable jackets I've ever worn. I personally love like moto or biker jackets. I have a pink one from Michael Kors that I wear all the time, and I just have like a bunch of other fake ones, but having the real deal is just, there's nothing like it. It's so soft and so comfortable. I bought mine in a size 2, which is a little bit tight on the arms, but if I'm wearing something like this, there is no problem. It's only if I'm wearing like, you know, a thicker maybe cable knit sweater or something, then it gets kind of tight, but honestly it keeps me really warm and I don't mind it, and I love the way that it looks because it's kind of slim fitting. So yeah, I think a size 2 was perfect for me, and I'm so excited to keep wearing this. A leather jacket like this, guys, honestly is just so timeless. Like, it was iconic in the 80s, you could wear it in the 90s, and even now it is just so like classic. So yeah, I just think that investing in a piece like this is really timeless, and you can get so much use out of it. Alright, and lastly, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 3 pairs of shoes. Alright, so the first pair of shoes that I'm going to be showing you are these Stuart Weitzman over-the-knee boots. So I picked up 2 pairs of Stuart Weitzman boots last year. They did release this color this year. I believe it's a new color. It's more of like a taupe color, and I actually got this one on sale for Black Friday. I think it was like 30% off or something like that. I got a pretty good deal on it. But these are the Stuart Weitzman Thailand. Now the black pair that I have is also in this style, and seriously guys, this is the most comfortable over-the-knee boot I've ever worn in my life. These stay up so well. They just tie in the back like this, but I always find that, you know, with cheaper ones, they always tend to slip and everything, but with these Stuart Weitzman Weitzman boots. I don't know why. Maybe like the material or something just causes them to stay pretty snugly on my foot, even if I'm not wearing leggings or pants underneath, which I just think is amazing. I'm actually really happy to finally have a light color pair of boots, and yeah, I think I'm done. I think I only need a dark pair and a light pair, right? Alright, and the next pairs of boots that I'm going to be showing you are actually all kind of similar and in the same style. The first one that I'm going to be showing you are these Gianvito Rossi boots. They are in a suede material, and I actually got these at Neiman Marcus, also on sale. Man, Black Friday this year just really had so many good sales that I couldn't resist. So I think these were about $300 off, and they only had like specific brands in the sale. Gianvito Rossi actually happened to be one of the brands that they had. I actually wasn't going to buy these because they just look like combat boots. Like, as you can tell, they're just like a combat boot style, and you can buy, you know, combat boots in so many other like cheaper brands, but when I tried these on, seriously, they were the most comfortable pairs of shoes that I've ever worn in my life. I can seriously wear these all day, and I have been wearing them very excessively. They are, like I said, a combat boot style, but what drew me to them is actually this big zipper that they have on the side. I just think that it's so cute, and like I've been saying throughout this haul video, I love black and gold together, and I just think that this goes so well with the leather jacket that I just bought and the shorts that I just bought. So yeah, I just had to have these. I know that it was like excessive for me to splurge on a pair of, you know, combat boots, but I don't know what it is. It's just like totally drew me in, and like I said, they're the most comfortable pairs of shoes I've ever worn. I've actually heard a lot of good things from Gianvito Rossi when it comes to footwear, so maybe I should, you know, look into buying like their heels and stuff too. But you know, lately I haven't been going out and doing anything, and I just, you know, pretty much only wear flats. I never wear heels anymore, especially this year. So yeah, I just thought it would be fun to, you know, get a pair of boots like this, and plus it is winter, so I can definitely get a lot of use out of these. Alright, and the last pair of boots that I bought, they're kind of ridiculous, and I'm actually not even sure if I'm going to keep these. I just kind of bought them on a whim. They weren't even on sale or anything, I'm not going to lie. I did end up using a triple points date for this though, so I got a lot of Nordstrom notes from buying these, but I don't know, I might return them because they are so excessive, guys. It's these pair of Louboutins. Louboutin boots? Like, who am I? I don't know what compelled me to buy these, but I just saw them online and I thought they were so freaking cool. They have these like really cool chunky zippers on them, and these spikes are just to die for. I don't know what it is. I really love this like cream color as well, and honestly when they came in the mail I was like, no, I'm gonna return them. Like, they aren't worth like the crazy price that they are. But then I tried them on and I'm like, okay, maybe I do really want to keep them. They are like the price of a small handbag though. Like, I just don't know how I'm gonna justify like buying these for myself, but I'm gonna try them on, and please let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Keep in mind that they were pretty expensive. I mean, they are Louboutin, so yeah, just let me know in the comment section down below whether I should keep or return these, because I'm so torn. I think that they look great. Like, they elongate my legs somehow, even though they are, you know, an ankle boot, and I just think that it's so unique. I know that, you know, studs, spikes might not be everybody's cup of tea, but I think it suits me pretty well. I don't know. Let me know your opinion. I really need your guys' help on this one. Alright, so that was all for my video. I hope that you guys enjoyed my little random haul. I know that this was a totally like different style for me, but I don't know, I've just been really experimenting with my looks lately. But yeah, I think that you're meant to, you know, experiment with fashion every once in a while, so that's kind of what I was doing here, but I honestly loved everything that I picked out in this haul. Before I go, I just wanted to quickly mention the giveaway that I am doing for December. If you guys didn't know, on my channel I am trying to do giveaways every month now, and for the month of December I'm giving away this Miss Glam travel makeup case. Stephanie and I are partnering for December's giveaway. She was kind enough to send me this as a gift for myself, but she is also sending me a brand new one to give away to you guys. I'm a huge fan of Miss Glam brushes, so I have a couple that I keep in here. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is leave this emoji in any comment down in the comment section down below. You can comment this emoji on as many videos as you want in the month of December where I feature this makeup case and this emoji. So the more videos that you watch and the more videos you comment on, the more chances you'll have to win. This giveaway is open internationally, and I am going to be picking a winner on December 31st. Don't forget that to be entered into this giveaway, you must be following my channel on YouTube and also SL Miss Glam and our Instagrams. I will leave all of the information down below. Thank you again to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. Please, please, please don't forget to check out their incredible sale with my link down in the description box below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a great holiday season so far. Please stay safe and stay healthy out there. And I will see you next time. Bye!